Siemens Gamesa, a Spanish-German wind engineering company that manufactures wind turbines and provides onshore and offshore wind services, has reported a €343 million loss in earnings. Siemens Gamesa said its performance continued to be negatively affected by volatile market dynamics, inflation of energy, raw material and logistics costs, non-availability of key wind turbine components, port congestion, and supply delays. They are reportedly considering cutting around 2,500 jobs, or about 9% of its total, to recover from losses, according to Reuters. Iberdrola and BP have announced a strategic collaboration to expand fast EV public charging infrastructure, supporting the adoption of electric vehicles and develop large-scale green hydrogen production hubs in Spain, Portugal, and the UK. Iberdrola and BP plan to form a joint venture that intends to invest up to $1 billion to roll out a network of up to 11,000 rapid and ultra-fast EV public charge points across Spain and Portugal in the hopes of expanding access to electric mobility. The plan includes installing and operating an initial 5,000 fast charge points by 2025 and up to a total of 11,000 by 2030, including BP and Iberdrola's existing and future fast charging hubs. Morocco seeks to generate 80% of its electricity from renewable energy resources by 2050. Morocco currently produces 4,030 megawatts from renewable energy out of a total generating capacity of 11,000 megawatts. There is an additional 4,516 megawatts of constructed or planned renewable energy available to the country. Besides expanding large and small-scale renewable energy projects, the Moroccan government is committed to providing nationwide electricity access to 100% of the population, growing from the current rate, which is estimated at 99.4%. Hyundai Motor Company is to export 27 of its fuel cell trucks to Germany. The trucks that will be deployed in Germany have a 180-kilowatt hydrogen fuel cell system and use 7 hydrogen tanks. Several companies in the trucking sector are exploring ways to develop low and zero-emission vehicles, including ones that use hydrogen. According to Hyundai, Germany's Federal Ministry for Digital and Transport has a €1.6 billion budget for the purchase of eco-friendly commercial vehicles. The funding is available until 2024. The South Korean business said its goal was to achieve a fuel cell vehicle price point comparable to a battery electric vehicle by 2030. While only a part of what Modi announced in Glasgow becomes India's formal pledge, experts say the targets can still bolster the fight against climate crisis. Almost 9 months after Narendra Modi committed India to a net zero goal and a drastic increase in the share of renewables, the country's cabinet has finally approved an enhanced climate action plan, adding more ambitious targets but leaving some expected goals out. India's current non-fossil fuel capacity, which includes nuclear, large hydro dams, wind, and solar power, is around 40%, in line with its previous goals. But coal is still the biggest source of energy. The unprecedented temperatures are now being witnessed in large parts of Asia and Europe, with floods ravaging Bangladesh and northeast India. These extreme weather events will be at the center of the upcoming climate negotiations, making the issue of climate action even more urgent.